Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be looking at how to change the default email application from the Windows Mail app to Microsoft Outlook. So when you get a Windows 10 computer out of the box, the default application will be the Windows Mail app, and that will open up any email messages that you have saved on your computer. Or if you click on, let's say for example, a contact us link on a website, it will open up Windows Mail. So the file extension for email messages is .eml. So that's the extension for email messages. So if you have any files with the .eml extension, that will open up in the Windows Mail app. So if you have Microsoft Outlook installed, you can change the default app from Windows Mail to Microsoft Outlook. So let's look at how we can do that. So you click on the Windows Start button, and then you click on Settings, then you click on Apps, then you click on Default Apps on the left, and then at the top you would see the default application to open emails. So currently it's set to the Windows Mail app. So if you click on that icon here, you would see different options on how to open email files. So what we need to do here is we are going to select Microsoft Outlook. Okay, so here we can see that any email file will be opened in or using Microsoft Outlook. So that's how you set default mail app to Microsoft Outlook. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. See ya.